Domestic water heaters. What are the different types of domestic water heaters, and how do they work? Introduction. Domestic water heaters are essential appliances that provide the comfort of hot water on demand. While their basic function is simple, heating water, they come in several distinct types, each employing a different technology for storage, delivery, and efficiency. Understanding these types is vital for selecting the right model for a home and for basic troubleshooting. Storage tank water heaters, the conventional choice. The most common type is the storage tank water heater. This appliance consists of an insulated tank, typically ranging from 20 to 80 gallons, that stores a large volume of preheated water. It can be powered by electricity, natural gas, or propane. Working principle. In electric models, one or two immersed heating elements heat the water inside the tank, similar to an electric kettle but on a much larger scale. A thermostat controls the temperature, switching the element on when the water temperature drops below the set point and switching it off when it reaches the desired maximum. Key aspect. These heaters provide a large volume of hot water immediately, but they suffer from standby heat loss, meaning they constantly use energy to keep the stored water hot, even when no one is using it. Tankless, on-demand, water heaters. Also known as on-demand or instantaneous water heaters, these units do not store hot water. They heat water only when a hot water tap is opened. This makes them significantly more energy efficient than storage tank models. Working principle. When the hot water faucet is turned on, a sensor detects the flow. The system then rapidly heats the water as it passes through a heat exchanger, powered by gas burners or high-output electric elements. The flow rate is optimized to ensure the water reaches the required temperature before it leaves the unit. Key aspect. They offer an endless supply of hot water but have a limited flow rate. If too many appliances demand hot water simultaneously, e.g., shower and washing machine, the unit may struggle to keep the temperature consistent, often resulting in a drop in water flow. Heat pump, hybrid, water heaters. Heat pump water heaters are often referred to as hybrid systems because they combine traditional electric resistance heating with a heat pump. They are highly energy efficient, especially in warmer climates. Working principle. Instead of generating heat directly, the unit works like a refrigerator in reverse. It uses a fan and an evaporator to extract heat from the surrounding air. This heat is then transferred to the water in the storage tank using a compressor and condenser. Key aspect. They use significantly less electricity than conventional electric heaters, up to 60% less, because they are only moving heat, not generating it. However, they require clearance space and work best in areas that remain above 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Solar water heaters. These systems utilize the sun's energy to heat water and are among the most environmentally friendly options available. Working principle. Solar collectors, usually mounted on the roof, absorb the sun's energy and transfer it to a heat transfer fluid, or directly to the water. This fluid then circulates to a storage tank, where it heats the domestic water supply through a heat exchanger. Key aspect. They offer substantial energy savings, often backed up by a conventional electric or gas heater for cloudy days. The initial installation cost, however, is significantly higher. Summary. Domestic water heaters vary widely, from the reliable storage tank that minimizes heat loss, to the energy-saving tankless model providing on-demand heat, the highly efficient heat pump system that extracts ambient heat, and the eco-friendly solar heater. The best choice depends on the climate, space available, and the household's hot water demand profile.